Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to our English session. Yes, I hope you all understood my previous session and you have completed your worksheet. Is it? Okay, very nice. Okay, do you remember the title what we saw? Yes, very good. 3 questions. What's the title? 3 questions. Yes. Okay. What are the 3 questions? Do you remember? Okay, I tell you. Okay, before go to the today's session, let's have a recap of our previous session. Okay? Yes, there was a king. He had 3 questions in his mind. He thought if he got answer for these 3 questions, he will be a successful man in this kingdom. Like that he thought. Okay? So what were the 3 questions? See, I have written here. What is the right time to begin something? What is the right time to begin something? I said. So, for this, yes, before telling these questions, he also informed it to the people through the messengers. Okay, he sent message through his messengers, and he also told if anybody answers to this question properly, they will be rewarded. Okay, so like that the king told. So some wise men came from different places to the king's palace. Okay, so that time, so the first question I already told you. So the wise men, there are more wise men, no? So each person is telling a different answer for the first question. Okay, some of the men are telling the king had to have a council. What is council? Yes, there are some people will be there and give some suggestion to the king as well. So like that there should be a council. Okay, so that he can easily get the idea and implement that. Like that some of them are telling. Others are telling we can't make the council and we can't wait for the answer because sometimes it will be urgent, so it is not good. Like that some other are telling. So like that it was going. And then they come to the second question. What's the second question? Which people should he listen to? Which people should he listen to? So for this question also there were different answers. Some of them were telling you should listen to the priest. Some of them told doctor. Some of them told soldier. Okay. So like that this also different. Okay. And then they came to the third question. Okay. That time what they are telling, what is the most important thing for him to do? So what was the most important thing to him? So some of them were telling fighting, some of them were telling religious worship. Okay, some of them are telling some other thing. So like that the answers were different. Okay, this only happened in a previous session. So at the end what he decided? So he decided to meet a hermit. Okay, do you remember who is hermit? Yes, who is hermit is a person who is living alone. Okay, mostly he will be he live a simple life in the forest. Okay, so the king decided to meet a hermit, and he also got ready with his simple dress. Okay, yes, let's come to today's session. Yes, page number 8. Yes. See the last page, last passage. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. So, hermit lives in, yes, forest. Wood means a small forest. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. So usually the kings go ride by the horse. Okay. So but now he is going to meet hermit. No, hermit is a simple person. So he is going alone without horse. He just left his horse to the bodyguard and he was going alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. Okay. What is hut? Yes, a small house to the hermit. Okay, hut is a small Okay, yes. So when the king came to meet hermit, the time the hermit was what he's doing? He was digging the ground. Okay, the hermit was digging the ground. He greeted the king and continued digging. So what he do? He just greeted the king. Okay, welcome sir, or good morning, how we are wishing, like that. He just greeted. If any person come to our home, what we do? We just welcome them. So like that he greeted the king and continued digging. And then again he continued his work, digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. So the hermit was very old and weak. Okay, so as he was working, as he was digging, he was breathing very, how to say, he was not convenient with that work, so he was breathing, okay, heavily. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. So the king is telling the purpose of his arrival. Okay, what he was telling, hermit, here I come to meet you for 3 answers. I have 3 questions in my mind. I want to answer for those questions, so that I visited you, like that he was telling. How can I learn to do the right thing? So he was telling the questions. What are the questions? How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? So he was telling the questions. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. So the hermit listened the question, what he told. Okay, the hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He did not speak anything. He went on digging. See, he was doing his work, digging. You are tired, said the king. So the king was telling, you are tired, hermit? Let me take the spade and work in your place. Okay, the king is telling, hermit, you are very tired, so you just give the spade to me and you take rest. I will dig the land, like that. What is spade? Spade. It's a tool for digging the land. Spade is a tool for digging the land. Yes. Then he sat down on the ground. So the hermit gave the spade to king and he sat on the ground. Yes. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his question. So he just do just a little bit, and then again he was asking the question. Okay, again he was telling the question. He stopped and repeated his question. He is repeating her question. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, now you rest and let me work. So after dig a little bit, what he doing? He's again repeat the question, but now also the hermit not answer. Okay, instead of that he just stood and get the spade from king. Okay, and he's telling, hermit is telling, now you are tired, so you just sit and take rest. I will dig it, like that he was telling. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But the king, what he did? He didn't give the spade to hermit. He was continuing his digging. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so and I will return home. Okay, so what happened? So the king 2-3 times he told the questions, okay, but still there is no answer from the hermit. So what the king is telling? Yes, he was keep on digging, and the sun also went behind the tree. That means it started to evening. Okay, so the sun is going to set. Okay, came in the morning till the evening, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, like that it went, and now it is evening. Okay, so now the king is, he just put on the stand and he was asking the hermit, I am here to get answer for my 3 questions. But still now you didn't give me any answer. If you are not able to, if you are not interested in telling the answer, if you simply say that I will return to my home, but you are not telling anything, like that the king was asking the hermit. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. So the king was talking to the hermit. That time the hermit is telling, here someone went, here someone ran, like that he was telling. You see that second section. Before that we have comprehension checks. You just see that why did the king want to know answer to 3 questions? I think you have answered your worksheet. Yes. Because he thought if he got answer for the 3 questions, he will be a good person in the kingdom. He will be a successful person, like that. Yes. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. What were the messengers went to the kingdom, throughout the kingdom? Yes, see the options are to fetch wise men, to find answers to the questions, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Yes, we just find it. Very good, yes. Okay, let's come to the second section. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. Yes, what happened now? So when they were talking, the king was telling, no, I am here to get the answer, but you are not replying, like that. The king asked, no. That time also the hermit didn't answer anything. Instead of that, he was telling, someone is running this side, like that he was telling. And the king saw one man came towards them with a wound. Okay, the king turned round and saw a bearded man, okay, a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach. So he pressed his stomach, okay, from which blood was flowing. He pressed his hand to the stomach because the blood was flowing in his stomach. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. So when he reached the king, fainted means unconscious. Okay. Fainted and fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. So what the hermit and the king were doing, they just removed his cloth and they found one wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief. So what the king was doing, he just washed the blood and covered the wounded place with his handkerchief. But the blood would not stop flowing. But even though he covered the kerchief, the blood was not stopped flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. So he keep on addressing that, okay, till the bleeding stopped. Yes. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. So now he is better, little bit better. Okay. He got conscious and he is asking for something to drink. He asked, I need something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. So the king gave him water. By this time, the sun had set and the air was cool. So now the sun set, and after the sunset, how the climate will be? So it will be little bit cool. Okay. The king with the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. So now what the both are doing, king and hermit? They just take that person to the hut and make him to lie down on the bed. The man closed his eyes and lay quiet. The king, tired by his walk and the work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night. So now that person who was wounded, he also just closed his eyes and started to sleep. And the king also very tired now. He came in the morning and also he came by walk, is right? So and he also worked in the field by digging. So now here the king also very tired. So he also just lay on the floor and started to sleep. When he awoke, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was or who the strange bearded man lying on the bed was. Okay. So now what happened? When he awoke, it was several minutes. So the king started to sleep now. So after sometimes he is waking up. Okay. And he was thinking, where you are? Because in that tiredness he slept well. Okay. So he was in the sleep. What we think usually, if we are very tired, we don't know anything. We just feel like our home and we sleep well. Okay. So the king also slept well. And after wake up, he was thinking, where we are? Who is this beard man? Like that he was thinking. Okay. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Hope you all understood. The remaining part we can see in our next session. And before I come to our end of the session, let's have a recap from the beginning. Okay. That is the previous session and today's session. Okay. Yes. Shall we? Very good. So there was a king. He had 3 questions in his mind. He thought if he got answer for these 3 questions, he will be a good and successful person in the kingdom. Okay. So he sent his messengers to convey this message to the people. Okay. And also he told some reward will be given to the person who is giving nice answer, perfect answer to this question. Okay. So the messengers also sent the message, and some wise men came to the kingdom. Okay. So the wise men gave different answers to the 3 questions. Okay. So the king was not satisfied with that answers. So what he do? He didn't give any reward to that wise man, and he thought he should meet the hermit. Okay. Who is able to answer to this question. Like that he thought, and he got ready to meet that wise man. Actually, hermit. Okay. So a hermit means the person who is leading a simple life in the forest. Okay. So the king also decided to have a simple dress and to meet the hermit. Okay. The king also dressed simply, and he went to the forest, and there he saw the hermit was digging the ground. Okay. So the hermit saw the king, and he just greeted him, and he started his work, that is digging. Okay. And then the king told the hermit, I am here to get answer for my 3 questions. And then he was telling that 3 questions. The hermit listened to the king, but he didn't answer anything. He was doing his work only. Okay. So after that, what happened? The king got the spade from the hermit, because the hermit was very old and he was very weak. Okay. So he is very tired in the digging. So the king got the spade from the hermit, and he told, you just take rest, I will do this work. Like that he said. And the hermit also sat on the floor. And after 1 hour, again the king asked the question. But now this time also the hermit didn't answer. He just stood up and he tried to get the spade from the king. But the king said, no, I myself will do. Okay. And then 1 hour like that went. Now it's the time of evening. Okay. again. What hermit, I came here to get answer for my questions, but still now you didn't answer anything. If you say that you are not interested in telling the answer, I just moved to my home, but you are not saying anything. Like that he told. But the hermit what did? He was telling there was someone running. The king saw one beard man was, beard man came towards them, and he was wounded in his stomach, and he fainted when he came nearer to the king. So king and hermit gave him first aid and made him to take rest. At that time the king also slept as he was very tired. So after he wake up, he thought, where we all like that. Okay? Yes. Understood? Okay. Let's meet in our next session. Just go through it and do your worksheet. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.